our videos before a long time ago. We did this.
We gave it away and the way it got splashed a couple months ago.
Yeah, so we're going to do the Mentos challenge again. So Rhea is going to take, which one? She wants to do, last time we just did some diet ones. So we're going to do, this is diet too, but it's 0 calories. The same with Sprite. Got the Mentos here. And so what y'all going to do is pick up the Mentos.
I ain't gonna get splashed.
Okay, pick up the Mentos. Put it in there, but just, no, Jason. No. Keep it on there. Jason's about to get splashed all in the face already. Okay, now put them in there. Twist it on. Just twist it. Flip it upside down. Flip yours upside down. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait, let me get it.
Look at mine on YouTube. It's just sporting in my mouth.
Okay, alright, flip them back over. And then y'all gotta take the lids off. Let me back up. Take the lids off of them. Take it off! Take it off! Take it off! Ugh. They are gross. Alright, so y'all, the Mentos came off. Drop it in. I wonder, it probably won't explode again. Wait, it's trying to no, it's not, it's probably not going to explode again. Try yours.
Put it in.
No, it's not going to explode again. Okay, so we also have 2 more. They are so gross. We have 2 more pops. We have another, no, we have a diet Pepsi, and then we have just a regular root beer that we want to try. Y'all ready for the next one?
Yeah! Let's gang. My pants is soaked in my shirt.
Is your shirt soaked? Oh, he ran. He got back quick. All right, hold on. We got to get the other ones. Okay, you guys, we back. They are being weird, sniffing them.
So right here.
This one is a generic. I got this one from Dollar Tree purposely so that I can see if it's going to react the same.
This is the big one right here, y'all.
And it's extra big.
Y'all, just look at it. This is the big one. Better than and he has root beer. I have Diet Pepsi.
Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Yes.
All right, pick them up. Come on.
No way, don't do it.
Twist it on there. Come on. Twist it.
Okay, I'll do that like this.
Just can't get his on.
Need help?
Okay, he got it.
All
All right, y'all. Wait. Flip them at the same time. All right. I think Jay just fell in there. Okay. Oh, this one is reacting. Reyes is reacting. Okay. Y'all ready? Flip them over. Arthur, you didn't do yours, Jay. Do yours, Jay. Do it. There you go. That didn't go as high, though. That one didn't. The root beer didn't go as high, but it definitely reacted. Which one did y'all think did better, the first 2 or the last 2?
Mine.
No, like the first 2 pops or these 2 pops?
These 2.
Those 2.
So I got the Mentos.
I think the last one did. Guys, comment down below which ones you think went up higher. I think the last one. She's trying to get it to react again, which I don't think it will, but you can try it.
I'm gonna shake it.
All right, now open it.
Mine got the weak out.
It's not enough in there. It's not going to react again. And then what y'all going to do? That's what y'all pour it in there. And then, where the other Mentos at? It probably won't react again, though. Y'all don't know what they over here doing.
We do know what it is.
What you got in your hand? A Mento? Y'all ain't got no more Mentos? Okay. I don't think it's going to react. They tried to mix them. I don't think it's going to react, y'all.
This one?
Alright, just use those 2 that you got. Put them in there. The Mentos at the bottom. I don't think it's going to react, y'all.
It is, Keisha. You think it is.
Where's your lid at, Jace? That's not the lid to go on there. Nope, that one ain't either. Alright, well, just shake it. Shake it. Okay.
Okay.
And now try it. I don't think it's going to react, y'all. I told y'all. It did it already.
No, wait, I gotta.
No. What are y'all doing? These kids are crazy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be all kind of bees around here.
Alright, do it. I see the Mentos. Yo, look at the Mentos.
Let me see at the bottom.
Mentos.
Mentos at the bottom. It's like 3, 4 of them. What are you doing?
We gotta do it.
Why?
Because.
Okay, not the whole thing. I don't know what they all
We
be
got
doing.
trampoline.
Yep.